up and away. Here we go. We got our lift. Mike Innovative garage door, and here we go. Going up, 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 up. Gonna be about 19 feet in the air here. You see way down there. Here we are. Got the coupler here in the middle. There's one clamp and the other clamp. So now we're gonna unwind the springs, and we're gonna take them down and then put up the two new ones. So this is part 2. I'm not gonna film unwinding the springs. It's gonna take like about a minute and a half here. But part 2, here we are up there. And part 3 is coming up. So thanks for watching our fix or repair commercial garage door.